Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, friends. This is Varun. In this audio, I will be explaining about the hierarchy of courts in India and the judicial proceedings that are happening in India, UK, USA, and Japan. First, I will give the basic introduction about this. Here in India, the courts are divided into three categories with the top court, middle court, and lower court. The top court is first here is named as the Supreme Court, while the middle court is named as the High Court and the lower court is named as the District Court. This hierarchy has made mainly due to the size of our country and due to its vast population of the country. Because of this, the size of the country, the judiciary system is planned as per the requirement of each and every citizen of the India, with the location of the courts as per status to serve the community of India with efficiency. For this purpose only the hierarchy of courts has been brought into existence. And this structure of court is being endorsed by the constituency of India with the level of power exercised by different levels of courts. The judgment can be challenged in each and every higher courts. This hierarchical system is strong enough to make a limitation of court with its jurisdiction and exercise of the power. In India, the highest level of court is the Supreme Court of India, which has been established in Part 4, Part 5 and Chapter 4 of Constitution of India, which endorses the concept of Supreme Court as the federal court to play the role of guardian of esteemed with the highest status level of court in the status of appeal cases. It started its operation in March 1950. It has its structure is comprised of the Chief Justice along with 30 other judges to carry out the operation of the court, and the Supreme Court is governed by Supreme Court rules, which is published in the year 1966. The same has been fixed by Article 145 of our Constitution to regulate its procedures of the court. Here it comes High Court of India. These are second courts of importance of overall country. They are run by Article 141 of the Constitution. They are governed by the bindings that are conferred by Supreme Court of India, so far judgments and orders that are concerned. This Supreme Court of India is the highest level of courts and is responsible for fixing the guidance to the High Court set by the precedents. There are 24 High Courts in India which are involved in taking care of every regional judicial system of states. When it comes to jurisdiction of High Court, these courts are mainly confined to the jurisdiction of a state or group of states or union territory. And other most and important procedure and function of High Court is like the High Courts are involved in appeals raised in cases of lower courts. Then finally it comes the category of lower courts. In lower courts there are district courts, village courts, and other constitution structures and features. This comes under lower court. According to the current report, there are in total 351 district courts in operation, out of which 342 are of states while 9 are of union territory. And these district courts are mainly run by the state government, where it is run by appointing district judges. The other subordinate court covering the civil cases in aspect are considered as Junior Civil Judge Court, Principal Junior and Senior Civil Judge Court, which are also known as sub-courts or subordinate courts. All these courts are treated with ascending order. Then now I will move on to topic where how judicial proceedings takes place in countries like USA, UK and Japan. When it comes to UK, in UK judicial system, for historical reasons, a state made up of several separate jurisdiction, they doesn't have a single unified system. Like there is one system for England and Wales, there is one system for Scotland, and there is one system for Northern Ireland. Like they have separate legal system for separate parts of jurisdiction. Whereas when it comes to United States, it follows federal court system. While the federal court system has three main levels like district courts, circuit courts, where the first level of appeal, and the Supreme Court of United States. The final level of appeal is the federal